Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see demo for Veterinary app PHP web application. So first open the XAMPP control panel, then start the Apache and MySQL. Next click on the MySQL admin. Left side you can able to see the backend database. Go to the login. Here you can see the login details. Next go to the Visual Studio. First explore the Vetcare web folder. Then you can see the addressing files and source codes. Then go to the readme text file. Here you can see the login details and then you can see the URL link. Copy the URL and paste to the browser. Now we can see the veterinary web application. It's our two roles, doctor and public. First go to the doctor role. Enter the email ID and password, then login into the home page. Now login successfully. Now we can see the doctor homepage. Doctor will be manage various modules. Doctor is view the animal disease complaint and then give the cures. First go to the add doctor. Here you will be assigning a new doctor on this page. So enter the doctor name and animal categories. Then give the hospital name, then locality. Then enter the doctor fees and mobile number. After you assign a doctor, next go to the view doctors. Here you can see the doctor informations and then go to the update. Here you will change the doctor info. Next go to the complaint. Here you can see the user animal disease complaints on this page. Then see the complaint. Go to the solution. First update the complaint status. Then give the animal disease reason and give the medicine. Next go to the user. Here you can see the user contact detail. Next click on the add cure. Here you will add the animal disease and give the cure. So enter the disease and detail, then give the solution. Next go to the view cure. Here you can see the all cure details on this page. And then admin will be update and delete the informations. Next go to the add news. Here you will add the day-to-day veterinary news on this page. So enter the news topic and give the content. Next go to the view news. Here you can see the all news and then you will delete the news. Next go to the view payments. Here you will see the user payment details. Then click on the feedback. Here you can see your service feedback on this page. Next we will move for the public. We have to sign up. Go to the create new account. Register the user detail. Enter your name, email ID, then password and mobile number. Then click on the register. Your password must contain at least one special character, one capital letter and then length of 8 digits. Now register successfully. If you already registered, you can use your email ID and password. Then login into the home page. Now we can see the user home page. User will be post the animal disease complaint and then receive the cure. So first go to the complaint module. Here we will post the complaint on this page. So we enter the post complaint date. Then enter the animal category. Then age. Then give the animal weight. Enter the number of days suffering. Then enter the symptoms. Then click on the submit. Now complaint created successfully. After you post the complaint, go to the my complaint. Here you will see the all complaints and then you will search your complaint to find the solution. Here you will see your complaint status. And then go to the solution and medicine. Here you can see your dog, animal disease, reason and medicine. Next go to the payment. Here you will pay for the doctor. So enter the account details and then click on the pay. Next go to the vet cure. Here you can see the animal disease and then the cure details. Then click on the news. Here you can see the day-to-day veterinary news on this page. Next go to the doctors. Here you can see the doctor information and then contact number. Then you will contact to the doctor. Next go to the my payment. Here you can see your payment details. Next go to the post feedback. Here you will share our feedback about the doctor service. Then give the rating and enter the feedback. Next go to the admin. Here you can see the doctor information. That's the whole veterinary PHP web application.
Code shopping.